Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move assets around, like withdrawing Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to MetaMask. This process can seem tricky at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, making it simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Litecoin like a pro, all while staying safe and secure. First off, before we get started, make sure you have both Phantom Wallet and MetaMask apps installed on your device. You'll need some Litecoin in your Phantom Wallet, and a basic grasp of crypto basics to follow along. Also, keep in mind that Litecoin isn't natively supported on MetaMask, so we'll be using a bridge or wrap token service, which is common in 2025 for cross-chain transfers. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and log in securely. Navigate to your assets and select your Litecoin holdings. Here, look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. In MetaMask, open the app and ensure you're on the correct network. Since Litecoin is on its own blockchain, you'll need to add a custom network or connect to a bridge like the popular ones available in 2025. Copy your MetaMask wallet address from the top of the screen. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, and double-check for any transaction fees, they can add up. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your Phantom Wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. Once sent, wait for the blockchain confirmation, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. Your Litecoin should appear as a wrapped version, ready for use on Ethereum-based networks. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer to ensure everything's good. A quick tip. In 2025, security is more important than ever, so use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.